cucaracha, rabote. Se me cayó la saliva. Con rabote. What's up, Morras and Morros? Welcome to our channel. Now, welcome back to our channel. Alright, so for today's challenge, we are gonna be bringing back the sneeze challenge. Pew, 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 pew.
Oh, okay, buddy. I'm literally right here, dude.
Yeah, but my audience can't hear me.
Can you guys hear her? Because I can.
Today's challenge, we are gonna be bringing back the sneezing challenge.
We are gonna be bringing back the sneezing challenge.
What the hell is even that?
What's wrong with you? She is so loud, bro. I have to give her some of her own medicine, bro.
Anyway, we said, the sneezing challenge. It sucks that I literally just sneezed like 1 minute ago.
And I've been sneezing the whole day, so I know now that I want to record it, it's not gonna happen.
Are very
Can you let me talk?
Camera.
Why are you talking over me?
I don't know. It's in my nature to talk over you.
I'm so scared.
Okay, you can go first on me.
Okay, I have a camera so I can record her. We're going inside her nose, guys. Let's dive in.
I'm scared. Let me protect my eyes. So I don't see nothing.
Okay, guys. I can't see, brother. Brother? Okay, chill out right there. Please, just close your eyes. Your eyes are closed, right? I didn't sneeze. Okay, one more? No! I need somewhere to put your hair, bro.
Here, I'll eat it. Psych.
Wait a minute.
I'm sweating.
She is sweating from her mustache. Okay, let's see if we can get a little hair. Did you sneeze? Again. I did feel a sneeze coming.
I'm tired of being here. Wow, I am sweating here. Bro. I'm telling you, my sneezes are camera shy because normally when I pluck my own mustache,
she sneezes
like
crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, so, I guess it's my turn. Oh, I'm scared.
My turn.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go in.
Mustache? I don't have to do. Bro, if you sweaty hands, bro. One more time, we're gonna poke something else that is not the nose, okay, buddy? I don't want to do this.
It hurt, bro.
Whoa, you're going in there, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you? She was like up here, bro. Right here, bro. If not, I'll do it myself. Oh, how about I do it myself? Okay. Bro, just get in. That's why I was going in there. Now you see why? Now I see why. Okay, I need someone to hold my nose. Bitch, do you see me? Go. Oh, okay. Oh, I got one. But you didn't sneeze, so again. Okay. Oh, one of these. That fucking But I didn't sneeze, so now let's do a mustache. Ooh. Okay, that one just hurt. Not as bad as these hurt. I guess I can keep going till I... Oh, this is making me sweat. Ooh. Come on, sneeze, bro. Why didn't you sneeze, bro?
Okay, clearly this was a no-go.
This was a no-go, and I did get quite the hairs out, guys.
Okay, so let's go on to the next one.
Let's go on to the next
one.
All right, boy, my boy.
Okay, so we are here in our backyard, and there's a lot of options. So I'm gonna start with this tree here.
Bro, are you serious? A leafless? She wants to sniff a leafless branch, bro.
There's a lot of, look right here.
Okay, sniff it. This has pollen, supposedly. Imagine I inhale a mosquito, bro. Okay, that one didn't work. Next one. I'm just tweaking.
Okay, my turn.
I'm just kidding.
So funny, bro.
Bruh.
Bro, why? We were sneezing like crazy earlier. I remember that.
Sniff harder, bro. Okay. A dog?
Pirula is scaring me.
Okay, how
So,
about
I think-
what if you sneeze? You sneeze.
How about I just get some dirt and I stuff it up my
Okay.
nose?
Okay, go. What are you made out of, bro?
Actually, let's go like this. Bro, why am I not sneezing today? That's
Me too.
just crazy because we always sneeze with this powder. Bro, I didn't bring the powder so you can start using it. We should have started out with this one. Okay,
What the hell, bro?
we're
I
literally.
swear we always sneeze and like. We got these nasal sticks. These are supposed to wake you up. I have not once used mine because I'm always scared to stick it up my nose, bro.
But we're just gonna see if it makes us sneeze. It has like mint and I don't know.
It's supposed to be super strong.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
No, we're not cheering, but you already put yours up your nose.
Okay. Oh wow.
Well, I'm wide awake, that's for sure. Ooh.
Bro, keep doing it. I think a sneeze is coming.
Oh, wow.
No.
Damn, bro.
How about we?
This has powder on it.
Oh, okay.
Let's just
Bro, normally I sneeze like crazy. This is wild. Nothing.
Hello, sneeze, are you there?
Alright, guys, that is it for today's challenge. I know we disappointed, but like, bro, I don't know what else to do. Like,
Our sneezes are just camera shot. Watch. Once we turn off this camera, I know we're gonna sneeze like crazy, but
like, dude, before this, I was sneezing, so I was like, I'm ready for this challenge. And she was too, bro.
yeah, dude, I literally sneezed right before setting up the camera. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out. Oh, she scared it away.
Camera.